Everyone, welcome back to another episode of Slurp's Fresh Noodle Fridays. It's been a hot minute since we've done a Fresh Noodle Fridays. As you know, I was on vacation in the United States, which was a lot of fun, a lot of eating, but my body is so ready to get some nutrition back in here and have some home-cooked food. There's nothing like home-cooked food, right? Apologies for the mess. Yeah, I'm doing a lot of cooking today. But we are going to be making some delicious, yummy comfort food today. We're going to be making Cincinnati Chili. Now, I have actually never been to Cincinnati. I've never even been to Ohio, but I made this dish back when I was making and doing cooking classes. I teach cooking classes at one of my offices way back in the day. It's like 5-6 years ago now. And we were making things with chili, and I wanted to show things you could do to repurpose your chili and to make other things with it, because sometimes you make a big pot of chili and you're like, okay, I'm so sick of this. How else can I use this before I have to throw it away? So we're gonna spruce it up. It is a mixture of spaghetti. We got some of our chili on top, and we're doing it with a bit of onions and a bit of cheese. It's not super traditional like traditional Cincinnati chili, but this is my own take on it with a couple of different secret ingredients that I like to use, and it's super tasty. Trust me on this one. We're doing Cincinnati chili 5 ways. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, we've got our ingredients here. So I have an onion, we have some Gouda cheese, please use cheddar if you want to be traditional, pasta dough, Worcestershire sauce, cinnamon, and cloves, and of course our leftover chili. So I'm just like heating up some leftover chili that I have here. I'm adding some cloves, a bit of allspice, cinnamon, and Worcestershire sauce to the mix and letting that simmer. And then my secret ingredient, we're adding a little bit of bulldog sauce. This is stuff you put on tonkatsu. In the meantime, we're gonna chop up some yellow onion here, and I'm just chopping it and dicing it. And this is to add some textural element on top of your Cincinnati chili. Of course, if you don't choose to do it this way, that's totally fine. You don't have to put onions on it, but this is a really delicious way to add some crunch, add some bite and spice to it. I am using my new KitchenAid pasta maker here, and you could use dried pasta if you want. I have shredded my Gouda cheese, but of course if you want to use cheddar to be more traditional, you can. Bring a pot of boiling water there. Cook my pasta or your dried pasta according to the package directions. Drain, and then we're gonna start assembling our Cincinnati chili. I'm making mine technically 5 ways here. So I'm adding pasta, I'm adding my chili, already has kidney beans in it, adding in those raw onions on top, and then of course to finish off, a mountain of cheese. Yes, you want a mountain of cheese on here. Trust me, when you mix it all together, it is absolutely divine. Yum, this is the finished product. Let's dig in. If you like this video, don't forget to like, rate, subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit the notification bell just at the top right hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see you for next week. Bye!